Good morning. Today I would like to discuss about a judgment wherein a concept of promissory estoppel, constructive estoppel have been discussed and a new line of contract, a new implementation of schemes extending government authorities functions to the private persons. Earlier, the entire world was turning for social justice, and after got privatization, globalization was introduced. This is the result of that, and you must know what is going on in India. This is the case AR 2020 Guwahati 39 Pristine Hindustan Infra Projects Limited, New Delhi versus Northeastern Frontier Railway and others. Here, few words you have to understand, that is private freight terminal PFT over railway land. Then container depot, inland container depot, then you have to understand principle of freight terminal and all those things are there. Now, what had actually happened, this writ petitioner company was permitted to install private freight terminal inland container depot, and initially there was an agreement permitting him to use the railway land, and after completion of the entire thing, the railway authorities refused to issue permission to continue his business. That resulted him to reach the court by way of writ petitioner, and several cases were discussed in this case, and particularly the judgment says allotment of alpha code of the PFT. Alpha code, the word was also used. See the what was the promissory estoppel. They have discussed about Monant Ispat and Energy Limited versus Union of India 2012. Therein you must understand what is promissory estoppel. They say promise to the petitioner company to permit it to establish and operate a PFT over the land lease out to SJDA. SJDA means District Railway Authority. Then again they have discussed about what was the promissory at paragraph 38, the court has discussed by referring Motilal Padampet Sugar Limited versus Union State of doctrine applies to the government or state, doctrine of promissory estoppel. Where one party has by his words or conduct made to the other clear and unequivocal promise which intend to create a legal relation or to affect a legal relationship to arise in the future, knowing as well as intending that representation, assurance or the promise would act upon by the other party. In the given case, the writ petition company acted upon. Therefore, after discussing various aspects, they have held that the refusal is illegal. Therefore, that was set aside, and the were directed to execute the agreement, PFT agreement. and they have discussed about various provisions, because initially when there was an agreement, there was no guidelines for container. PFT there was guidelines, but for the container there was no guidelines. Therefore, they have discussed so many things, internal container depot. So that is called dry dry port. Dry port was introduced later in the 1970s. Port means if you want to export certain things, the goods will reach the port, and custom authorities will examine the proper the goods and appraise whether proper duties were paid or not at the deck. So because of multiple demand all over India, and there was heavy traffic, this dead dock initially first commenced at New Delhi. Dead dock means there may not be any sea, but all formalities of that particular prohibited area, a container will be sealed, and that container will automatically travel to particular port where the ships are being marooned, then that will be shifted to. This is called a dead dock, and in this given judgment is discussed as dry dock. Both are one and the same. So kindly go through this. I would say our Honorable Prime Minister has said local and vocal, that should be given more important. I do not know what is vocal or local, Honorable Prime Minister meant, but I mean that the recent development of the village people preparing all sorts of IMFL by local method should be approved, because that is more hygienious to the common people. If the government is not concentrating on income, that should be developed, and that should be famous in view of the declaration of policy by the Prime Ministers. So to that extent, and particularly toddy. So the government all over India prohibits few states, except few states, prohibits sale of toddy only for the purpose of monopolizing their trade. Best wishes.